back to our EVS session. Hope you all are absolutely fit at your places and doing your work properly. So which chapter is going on? Chapter number 6, that is We Care for Animals. हमारा बुक वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया है. सो इन टुडेज सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द नोटबुक वर्क. सो कीप योर नोटबुक विद यू and start writing. We are starting with the keywords. So first of all we will do the keywords, then we will do very short question answer, then short question answers, and then long question answers. Today we will do only this. So be ready for it and start writing, and writing should be neat and clean. Okay, so open your notebooks and write down the date. What is today? Date, that is 15 July 2020. Here you will write the date, and at this side you will write the classwork and write down the name of the chapter, that is lesson number 6, We Care for Animals. We Care for Animals. Write it down and then make a heading of keywords. Keywords are the some words which are little bit difficult, जिनका हमें मतलब नहीं पता होता, and some spellings are difficult, तो हम उसको यहाँ note down करते हैं. So first keyword is domestic. First keyword is domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals which are connected with our home or farm. Okay, so domestic animals, like it can be any other thing also जो हमारे बिल्कुल कंट्री में हो रही है जो चीज, उसको भी हम डोमेस्टिक कहते हैं. सो दैट इज डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, और डोमेस्टिक टू मीनिंग्स होते हैं. एंड हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स विच आर कनेक्टेड विद आवर होम. वो एनिमल्स जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड इज, write it down, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic. After that, flesh. Flesh is the soft part of human or animal body. That is flesh. F-L-E-S-H, flesh. It is our second keyword, flesh. F-L-E-S-H, flesh. Then third is harmful. Harmful. H-A-R-M, harmful. F-U-L, full. Harmful. Harmful means which cause harm. जो हमें नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, that is harmful. Then next is handle. Handle, H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. Touch or hold something, किसी चीज को hold करना, that is handle. H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. The next keyword is shelter. Shelter is a small building which protect from the harsh weather or enemies. Okay, so it is shelter, S-H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. It is a small building which gives the protection. Now the sixth is veterinary. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-Y, veterinary. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-Y, veterinary. So what is the meaning of veterinary? Veterinary is the like medical. It is just connected with the medical treatment for animals. Those animals are sick. So veterinary doctor जो treatment करते हैं sick animals का. Okay, so it is veterinary. Now these 6 keywords we are doing in this chapter. First is domestic, flesh, harmful, handle, shelter and veterinary. 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 Okay, do this. Giving you few seconds to write it. Then we will start with the very short question answers. Yes, students. Now make a heading of very short question answer. Very short question answer. After the keywords, you will make this heading, and then after this, leave one line and start writing question number first. Yes, so question number first is, write 2 things required by both humans and animals. Write 2 things required. REQUIRED. Required by both humans and animals. Write this question. Write 2 things required by both humans and animals. ऐसी 2 चीजें बतानी है हमें जो humans भी यूज करते हैं और animals भी यूज करते हैं. So 2 things जो इनको बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होते हैं, like we need and animals also need, that is food, water. I am writing 3. That is shelter also. Right? Food, water and shelter. These 3 things which humans and animals both require. Okay? Food, water and shelter. Write this answer, then we will start with the second question. Yes, second question is, name 2 animals. Name 2 animals that eat the flesh of other animal. We have to write the name of 2 animals that eat the flesh of other animal. दूसरे animal का flesh खाते हैं. That what is flesh here? Flesh आपको meaning बताया मैंने, that the soft part of human or animal body. So here they are talking about the animals. So जो animal की body का soft part है, that is flesh. So name 2 animals that eat the flesh of other animal. 2 animals के name बताने हैं जो दूसरे animal को खाते हैं. So I am writing here lion, 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 tiger and crocodile. You can write any 2 of them. And crocodile. और भी बहुत सारे होते हैं. You can write them also. Lion, tiger and crocodile. Clear? Write it down. Then we will start with the short question answer. Today we will do 1 short question answer, and after that more we will do in the next session. Okay, I am erasing the very short question answer. First question I am erasing. recording of short question answer. So question number first is, why do we build build means होता है बनाना. Why do we build shelter for our pets? Shelter for our pets. हम अपने पेट्स के लिए शेल्टर क्यों बनाते हैं? उनके रहने की जगह क्यों बनाते हैं? उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, राइट? So first of all, write this question and I will tell the answer. Right? Why do we build shelter for our pets? Why do we build shelter for our pets? Okay. So we built, right? We built shelters for our pets. We build shelters for our pets because shelters. We build shelter for our pet because it protects them. It protects them. Protects mean bachana. It protects them. We build shelter for our pets because it protects them from heat, गर्मी से, cold, ठंड से. We build shelter for our pet because it protects them from heat, cold and rain. Heat, cold and rain. क्योंकि वो शेल्टर में जब रहेंगे उनको गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगी, ठंड भी नहीं लगेगी और रेन से भी वो बच पाएंगे. Note it down. And now I'm telling you about the tomorrow. That tomorrow I will give you one worksheet for the homework, and one more thing I will our test is there. Tomorrow our test is there of the first chapter, that is learning in a family. हमने रिवीजन कर ली थी लर्निंग इन अ फैमिली की. आई होप आप सब रेडी हैं टेस्ट के लिए. मैं आपको एक पीडीएफ फाइल सेंड कर दूंगी एंड आपको उस फाइल पे या तो आप उस फाइल को प्रिंट आउट करवा लें या फिर उसको नोट डाउन करके आंसर्स लिखें एंड यू विल क्लिक ए पिक्चर ऑफ दैट एंड विल सेंड मी बैक टिल 2 PM. 2 PM तक का टाइम होगा. आई विल सेंड यू आफ्टर दिस क्लास. टेस्ट वो आपको नॉट आफ्टर दिस, या आई विल सेंड एट 11:30 एंड आपके पास 2 PM तक का टाइम होगा. 2 PM तक आपको मुझे रिटर्न करना होगा and after receiving I will check that and I will send back. So I will give marks also. Be ready for that and thank you so much for watching and do it in good handwriting. If anybody left, I will send the PDF file also. Okay, bye bye, take care.